also with a smaller fridge, this is the biggest fridge we can do, but with a smaller fridge, with the height a little bit lower, put a frame. Because you have to be able to use the toilet with the bed made up. So that drops down. Yeah, and then we actually have curtains all the way around. We just have a bit in it. So then the toilet can be used in this space when the bed's made up at the front, and then but when you're not using it, you kind of recover it with you know, storage. Yeah, so we 3D scan. We get in, 3D scan the empty van, and then design the kit set specifically for each one.